part was probably the dissections, even though Aaron told me he would not let me cut his heart in half.
My favorite part of being at GIV was the VFR team. They were all very nice and welcoming, and it was awesome to learn from them. I am very fortunate for everything they did for us.
It has really helped me see that medicine could be a bright future for me, and that I really do enjoy it, and it was just really fun to pursue that possible future. So thank you, GIV.
Also the people that I've been meeting, it's a really good group of people.